Well, so that route that we took to China Wall from the back, I never heard about what is Razorback and all this stuff until that day.
It was
And then
bad. It was really bad.
it was bad. I mean, there's these things called Witch's Eye, which and it's like a dune language. So people are probably thinking, what is Witch's Eye? Witch's Eye is basically it's like a sand bowl, and what happens is when you get into the middle of the bowl, you can't get out of it. It's just a bowl. Oh yeah, there it is. So yeah, if you fall in one of these bowls, now whoever's gonna pull you out has to be heavier than you, or else he's gonna pull himself into the hole too. So that becomes another issue. Luckily, in this scenario, you know, if it wasn't for Jerry, probably would still be out there. So, like, yeah, this that shot is nice too, up in the dune. So when when the truck got stuck, Jerry's like, "Okay, I'll pull you out from the back." And he went around. He circled, and when he came back up, he drops like his front two tire right there, and he's now bottomed down and stuck too. So I'm already
Yeah, so
stuck,
I,
and
I
then
got
he,
stuck trying to save him.
yeah. So
Which
he,
worked out in the end, which worked out in the end, by the way. But yeah.
yeah, it worked
Um
out.
but-
Because that's how
but-
we were able to like you were able to pull me because you were stuck, so it was heavier. And then it worked out the other way around. When you unstuck me, I pulled the brake and pulled you out. So it was
correct.
great.
It's funny because
Yeah.
just looking at the video, it looks so majestic. You're like, you wouldn't even know that anything was going wrong. It just looks nice.
Oh, right here, right. What he's showing right now, this was perfect. This is
Mhm.
Yeah.
this is doable. What Eric was talking about maneuvering and all that. If you pay attention to this video,
Mhm.
I call it like a snake motion. You know, you ride the dune. You have to go back and forth, and you basically sometimes if you can't make it up the dune, like see right there, Deal sliding a little bit to the left. Sometimes you won't make it up, so you
Mhm.
actually have to make a full circle and maybe a figure eight to come back around the other way. So there's definitely a way to maneuver out in the dunes, and
Yeah.
that's something that you learn, you know, little by little. But it's definitely I wouldn't call it challenging, but it's definitely this is expert level. Obviously, there's
Mhm.
some way easier dunes. We're deep into the dunes. What Adeel was talking about, where we got stuck. See, right here, there's not really no witch's eyes. Over
No.
there, where we went, where we tried to go, you would 20 feet. Every 20 feet, there was a witch. There, we had a side by side with us. He couldn't find an exit. There were so many of those witch's eyes, and in a side by side. So if he struggled to get out,
Mhm.
imagine a full size 7,000 to 8,000 pound truck or two of us, and that's actually what happened. But we were fortunate. Everything, you know, we had a little bit of a moment because when he was stuck and I was stuck, it. But the main thing is to always keep calm too. There's always a way out. But like Adil said, I managed to pull him out, and then once he was out, I told him to step on the brakes, and we're gonna upload that video here pretty soon. I've been a little busy.
I think right here is a
Anyways,
perfect example how you could
Mhm.
see the back
yes,
of the truck is leaning down to the right and the front is
correct.
pointing up, and I think that's part of that experience level of
Yes,
knowing how to maneuver the dunes, because it's you obviously, like you said, you guys are in deep into the dunes, somewhere where a novice really shouldn't be.